Right, right. And now you are feeling na okay na okay sa inyo na mag-invest dun sa isang bagay. Kumbaga may portfolio na.
Yeah.
Right, but in the future would you para mangahas ka ba na magtayo ng negosyo na hindi franchise? I mean, of course not competing with your business right now.
Given the right opportunity, go pa rin ako.
Ano yung tingin mong industry na dapat pasukin ninyo? At least yun yung parang wishful thinking nyo lang na parang one of these days, I want to establish this. Yung parang suntok sa buwan. Yung gusto mong maging or maitayo
Ang dream
in the
ko,
future. Yeah.
candy factory.
Candy factory.
Gusto ko mag-manufacture ng candy.
Sabi ko na nga ba old soul ka eh. Manufacture.
Gusto ko ng ganun, yung parang malaki, tapos nakikita mo yung machine gumagawa ng candies, lollipops,
Alright.
chocolates, mga ganun.
Can you live with that, sir? Pwede na raw, sabi ng husband. Oh, Commander-in-Chief, eh, wala tayong magagawa. Right. Okay, so that will be your wishful thinking. And then, now that I am convinced na magpunta sa inyong salon, kailan ako pwedeng pumunta, for example?
Oh, we are open 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Yeah. Nakuha mo yung tamang sagot. Ganyan yung pagsagot. Right. So you're open from?
We are open every day,
Pakinggan ninyo, ha?
10 a.m. to 10 p.m. We also do home service. You can call us at 990-5232 or text us at 0932-885-1100. And our address pala is 18 Don Jose Street, Don Antonio Heights, Quezon City.
Okay, so doon kayo pwedeng puntahan.
Yes.
And then nandun kayo. Do you do this full time or tuwing kailan ka nandun?
I'm there every day. Siguro pagkahapon na, magagabi na.
Especially ngayon nag-start, ano? I don't think you can afford na.
Yeah, every day talaga.
But do you have someone managing it?
Meron pa.
Parang head nung
Meron
mismong
naman.
salon. Yung pag may natuwa is dun lang sinasabi. And then also before we end the show, it's really interesting to note that you are able to venture in this type of business. Do you see this growing in the next couple of years? Probably magkakaroon pa kayo ng isa pang franchise?
Sana. Gusto namin ng another branch.
You don't want to try food or any other line?
Kasi ngayon yung food business, I think okay naman siya, but diba napansin lang namin yung mga tao, they want to be beautiful more than
Okay.
ayaw nila maging mataba.
Talaga?
Diba?
Oh, that's why conscious ka nung nakita mo yung sarili mo sa TV. And then, may mga tao talagang ganon na parang mas mabuti pang magpaganda sila kaysa may laman yung sikmura nila.
Hindi makikita kung may laman yung sikmura, pero pag maganda ka, kita, di ba?
Alright. That makes sense. Really? Totoo yun, ha? Somehow may katotohanan yun.
Totoo, di ba?
Di ba? So, alright. So, tama, no? Yung iba, kahit walang kainin, basta meron silang pang-load.
Yes.
Sa cellphone.
Yes.
So, that's why. And then, kahit walang kainin, basta maganda.
Yes.
Maganda at maayos. And then, yung number 3 would be yung mga damit na siguro, yung mga garments. Ibalik ko lang dun sa garments business because you're doing trading para dun sa kapakanan ng mga kaibigan natin na nasa trading business. How is trading business right now doing?
So far, kami, okay naman siya. It's the competition is very tight talaga, but kami naman, we have been in the business for almost 10 years. So far, na-establish naman namin na yung
Right.
But yung mga starters, parang maraming competition. Yun lang yung napansin ko.
Right. So in the span of 10 years in trading business, supply ng garments, no? Sa mga malls, I understand, sa mga malls. So paano yung growth niya in the last 10 years? Mabilis ba or talagang dahan-dahan?
Dahan-dahan.
Kasi iba ito yung business model na karamihan mga Chinese trading eh.
Yeah.
Hindi sila yung iba kasi ang nangyayari is gusto nila kaagad-agad
Mhm.
mataas. And then, napansin ko kapag Chinese yung nagninegosyo, tamang kahit
Dahan-dahan.
dahan-dahan lang.
Kasi long term kami.
Very long term.
Long term kami. Yung iba nga, di ba, pinapamana pa sa mga anak.
Right, oo.
Ganun.
Is it something na talagang totally itinuturo sa inyo by principal? I mean, they tell you the principal?
Oo, kasi
Sa family?
long term talaga. From when we were kids, talagang long term, hindi yung ngayon lang,
Oh,
okay,
right.
tapos next time mamomoblema ka. Kaya long term talaga.
And then, how do you do that in a board meeting, like a
Hindi
dinner?
naman.
I mean, a dining table?
Oo, hindi naman. Siguro pagka kunwari may mga certain situations na kailangan mong pangaralan yung mga bata, doon, ganun lang. Hindi
Alright.
naman meeting.
Alright. Ayun, malay ko, nagkakapunan kayo and then suddenly...
Ayun, pag ganun, pag dinner time,
Right,
sermon-sermon, ganun.
And then, iba ba yung kapag meron kang Chinese blood or Chinese na upbringing, na talagang you listen to the elders? Or part ng culture nyo na pakinggan
Susunod
yung mas
ko talaga sa
nakakatanda?
mas nakakatanda, sa parents, ganyan. Pero there are some Chinese na rin na hindi na rin ganun ka-traditional ngayon because hindi na rin sila nasusunod. Yung mga dads, hindi na rin.
Alright, okay. So, hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari doon sa mga kids ninyo kung alin
Oo.
sila doon, no?
Oo.
But definitely, 2-year-old and 1-year-old.
Yes.
Parehas lalaki.
Yes.
Oh my God. When is going to be the third?
Si nails.glow muna.
Ito muna, bago yun. So, is there anything that you would like people to learn about your business before we end the show? Please announce anything.
Visit us
Visit
and experience the glow, enjoy the stay. Self-pampering need not to be expensive. Visit us at nails.glow. Don Antonio, thank you.
Wow, good. Have you memorized those lines?
Taglines namin yun eh.
Tagline. Kaya pala sigurado. Talagang kabisado. And then I would like to thank you for coming to the show. Indeed, we are grateful na pinagbigyan mo naman ng invitation namin.
Thank you.
And this summer, for sure, maraming mga branches pa itong Nails.glow.
Yes.
Ano mga alam mong branch
We
na
have
meron?
15 branches. We have Tag-asa, we have in Tandang Sora, we have in Muñoz, we have in Malate, we have Parañaque, Roses Avenue, memorize ko
Ikaw ba yung franchisor? May stake ka ba?
we have in Kabihasnan, Vicas, and Reparo. Naku, sino yung nakalimutan ko?
Okay,
Sorry.
but the website would be, would you know the website?
www.nails.dot.com.
Okay, nails.
Nails.glow.com.
Spell as DOT. Thank you so much for coming to the show. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Next time. This is another episode of Creative Business with Lloyd Luna. I would like to thank you for watching. I would like to thank Bobson for my jeans, Merger for my suit. And Dr. Kalain, I think, will be here one of the coming Fridays. Isa sa mga Fridays na darating, Dr. Kalain will be here. We will be thanking him or the couple in advance. Thank you so much. Watch Creative Business replays on Saturday 1 a.m. and Mondays at 10 a.m. Also, you can log on the website, www.creativebusinesstv.com. You can also follow us on Twitter at Lloyd Luna. Thanks for watching. See you soon.